Hello students, here welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. In the applications of integrals, already we completed 2 classes and this is the last class because one exercise is deleted in your syllabus for only for this year. One exercise is deleted. So in the last 2 class I explained so many examples and from that you came to know that to solve applications of integrals we required a first year coordinate geometry, that is analytical geometry, that figures. You must be thorough with that figures. Here see the question, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and the line y is equal to 4. See, you are familiar, y is equal to x square is what? It is a parabola open upwards. Y is equal to x square is a parabola open upwards and y is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is equal to 4 is a straight line like this. This is O, A, B. And this shaded part is the required area. Shaded part is the required area. See, required area is equal to shaded part as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure. That is equal to 2 into area in the shaded area of shaded part in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, that is 2 into it is, now I am taking area between the curve and the y axis. Curve and the y axis is what? Lower limit. Y value lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 4. 0 to 4, it is x into dy because we are taking a area between the curve and the y axis. It is 2 into 0 to 4. What is x value from the curve? X is root y into dy. 2 as it is, y raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 from 0 to 4. It is 2 into y raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 from 0 to 4. It is 4 by 3. Y raised to 3 by 2 from 0 to 4. Now write on the upper limit and the lower limit. Now is it clear or what? Yes, the figure, everything is very simple. Only thing, if you are familiar with the first year analytical geometry. 4 by 3, 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 0. 4 by 3, 4 is 2 square raised to 3 by 2. 2 cube is 8, 8 4 the 32, 32 by 3 square units. See, is it simple or what? Yes. Moving to the next question, that is again worked example I am giving you. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis and the line y is equal to x. Enclosed by the x-axis and the line, the line and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 32. See, first if you are able to draw the figure, that only gives you a half of the solution. See, y is equal to x is what? Y is equal to x is a straight line passing through origin. It comes in first and third quadrant. and x square plus y square is equal to 32 is what? This is the equation of the circle with center origin. See, for your reference I am writing. Represents a circle with center, origin and radius root 32, because this is written as root 32 whole square. Next, y is equal to x. Again for your reference, represent this is a straight line passing through origin. Passing through origin, it comes in first and third quadrant. Yes. Now solving these two, how to solve? In place of y, if you are writing x square plus x square is equal to 32. This we are writing from equation 2. 2x square is equal to 32, x square is equal to 16, x is equal to plus or minus 4. And you know that y and x are equal. If x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 4. And why? Because y is equal to x. If x is equal to minus 4, then y is equal to minus 4. Therefore, the points of intersection are 4, 4 first quadrant and minus 4, minus 4. Already without calculation, only with the basic knowledge, I told you it comes in first and third quadrant. So, and you know that they are in first and third quadrant. Now I will draw the figure. X square plus y square is equal to 32. And this is the line. This is 4, 4 and minus 4, minus 4. This is origin, I will call it as a and this is a B. Radius is what? Root 32. How you will write a root 32? 4 root 2. For our convenient you can write 4 root 2. 4 root 2, 0. Or you can write root 32. And this is shaded part is what? Required area. But you cannot take this whole part as it is, because in one half it is a line and in one half it is a curve. That means where they will intersect, from that point you have to draw the perpendicular. You have to draw the perpendicular. So understood. That means we have a half part. One part is OACO, another part is ABCA. So because in one part it is the area between the line and the x-axis. In another part it is area between the curve and the x-axis. See how we will write then. Required area is equal to area of O, A, B, C, O. See that figure carefully. That we are writing as area of OACO plus area of ABCA. Understood? From the figure we are writing. In between here to here, at what point you are drawing a line, perpendicular line, x is equal to 4. And here the lower limit of x is 0. 0 to 4, it is area between the line and the x-axis. Y from the line into dx plus 4 to 4 root 2 y from the circle, or you can write the curve, into dx. See here it is 0 to 4 y from the line. Line is what? Y is equal to x. And y from the circle. From the circle is what? Root of 32 minus x square into dx when you are solving this. Here this is integration of x is x square by 2 from 0 to 4 plus it is x by 2 root of 32 minus x square plus a square. A square is 32 by 2 sin inverse of x by 4 root 2. It is x by a from 4 to 4 root 2. To write this step we have to write carefully. Now the next step is substitution. Next step is we have to write the substitution of these values. 1 by 2 outside, 4 minus 0 plus in the flower bracket 4 root 2. 4 root 2 divided by 2 root of 32 minus 4 root 2 whole square. 4 root 2 whole square is 32 plus 16 by 32 by 2 is 16 sin inverse 4 root 2 divided by 4 root 2. This completes the upper limit. Minus lower limit is what? 4. 4 by 2 root of 32 minus 4 square plus 16 into sin inverse of 4 upon 4 root 2. See calculation, 2 1s are 2 2s, it is 2 and 32, 4 root 2 whole square is 32, this complete part is 0. 0 plus 16, these two get cancelled, sin inverse 1, sin inverse 1 is pi by 2 minus 2 into 32 minus 16 is 16, square root of 16 is 4 and I am taking minus also inside the bracket, minus 16, 4 and 4 get cancelled, so 1 by root 2 is 45 degree, 45 degree means pi by 4. This is 2 plus 8 pi minus 8 minus 4 pi. It is 4 pi minus 6. So the answer is 4 pi minus 32 by 16. This is 0, this is 16 into pi by 2 minus 2 into 6, 8 and this is sorry, it is 0 to 4, 4 square is 16, that is 8. Here I did a mistake, make the correction of that, plus 8 minus 8 get cancels, answer is 4 pi, 4 pi square units. Please make the correction here in the first integration, it is 0 to 4, 4 square is 16, so you are getting 8. Now I am moving to the next example. See, the next question is in exercise 8.1, that is the question number 9. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to x square and y is equal to mod x. So y is equal to x square we are taking as equation 1. Here y is equal to mod x represents you what? Two lines. One is y is equal to x, another one is y is equal to minus x. See, if you are thorough, already we are familiar. Y is equal to x is a straight line passing through origin, comes in first and third quadrant. And y is equal to minus x is also the straight line. Again it is passing through origin but comes in second and fourth quadrant. So by solving 1 and 2, y is equal to x square, here y is equal to x. In these two equations their LHS are equal, therefore their RHS are also equal. X common, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1. Next, if x is equal to 0, then y is also 0 because y is equal to x. If x is 1, then y is equal to 1. Say, therefore, the points of intersection of intersection of 1 and 2 is 1, 1 and 0, 0. They comes in first and the origin. And see, it comes in second and fourth. And this is the parabola open upwards. Similarly, by using basic knowledge, the points of intersection of 1 and 3, it comes in second quadrant. Remember, it is minus 1, 1 and 0, 0. Totally, that line gives means 0, 0 is a common. 0, 0 common means the figure comes like this. Y square is equal to 4. Y square is equal to, sorry, y is equal to x square is a parabola. It open upwards. And this is a straight line like this. This is what y is equal to x and this is what y is equal to minus x. And the parabola is y is equal to x square. See, the points of intersection are 1, 1, this is 0 and this is minus 1, 1. And you know that the curve is symmetric and whatever the area we are getting, the same area we will get in the next quadrant. That means calculate the area in the first quadrant and make it double. Before that, write down the points of intersection of the two lines and the curve. Therefore, the points of intersection of the curve y is equal to x square and the lines, two lines are here, are 1, 1, 0, 0 and minus 1, 1. Say, I marked here. Now, required area is equal to shaded part as shown in the figure. That is equal to 2 into shaded part in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant. Now, it is 2 into, here to write the integration, it is very interesting. See here, we are writing the integration with respect to x axis and one in between the same limit, it is x is equal to 1. So, in between same limit x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, in between this part, see, line and the curve which is nearer to the x axis gives you the smaller area, which is far away from the x axis gives you the bigger area. See here, if you take the area between the line, this line and the x axis gives you complete area, correct, and area between the curve and the x axis gives you only this part, curve and the x axis gives you only this part. That means line minus curve gives you required area and it is in between the same limit. It is 0 to 1 y from the line into dx, because line gives you, line x axis but dur ide, so it gives you the bigger area, minus integration from 0 to 1 y from the curve, it is nearer to x. So, it is 2 into 0 to 1 y from the line is x into dx minus 0 to 1 y from the curve is x square into dx. So integrate this. It is x square by 2 from 0 to 1 in the flower bracket. 2 is concerned with both. X cube upon 3 from 0 to 1. Go for the calculations. That's why I am telling, if you are thorough in the first year analytical geometry, that is coordinate geometry, then only it is you are able to draw the figure. This is 1 by 2, 1 minus 0, minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 0. 2 in the bracket, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 2. LCM is 6, 3 minus 2. That is 2 into 1 by 6. That is nothing but 1 by 3 square units. See, very simple. Only thing is depending on the figure. Now moving to the next example. See, moving to the next question in exercise 8.1, that is the 10th one. Find the area bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. See, x square is equal to 4y. This is equation 1 and we are familiar. This is the equation of the parabola. The next one is x is equal to 4y minus 2. See that x and y, they are in the linear form, means they are the straight lines. X is equal to 4y minus 2. But we don't know where they are intersecting. See, what is x square is equal to 4y? 4y means we can write x square. This we are writing from equation 1. And this is a quadratic equation, x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Factorize this. When you factorize, you will get x common, x minus 2 plus 1 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again x minus 2 bracket is common, x plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is minus 1 and x is equal to 2. See, if x is equal to 2, if x is equal to 2, then y is equal to x square by 4, that is 1. If x is minus 1, then y is equal to minus 1 square is 1. Minus 1 square by 4, that is 1 by 4. Therefore, the points of intersection are 2, 1. It comes in first quadrant, and minus 1, 1 by 4, it comes in second quadrant. So, draw the rough figure. X square is equal to 4y is a parabola, it opens upwards. X square is equal to 4y, this is the parabola open upwards. Then the point is 2, 1. This is 2, 1 and this is minus 1, 4. See, here also you can draw the perpendicular, here also you can draw the perpendicular. This perpendicular is at x is equal to 2 and this is at x is equal to minus 1. And this is a shaded part, that shaded part is the required area. Again, in between minus 1 and 2, we are finding a line and the curve. Line is far away. So, x in bitte dur ide, far away from x axis, curve is nearer to the x axis. That means line gives you the bigger area, curve gives you the smaller area. Bigger area minus smaller area gives you required area. This is shaded part. If you are able to draw the figure, then only it is possible to find the area. Required area is equal to shaded part as shown in the figure, that is equal to integration from minus 1 to 2 y, which gives you bigger area, y from the line gives you bigger area, minus smaller area you have to write, minus 1 to 2 y from the curve into dx. Yes, minus 1 to 2 y from the line. Line is what? This. When you solve for y, you will get x plus 2 divided by 4 into dx, minus 1 to 2 y from the curve. Curve is what? X square by 4 into dx. Now integrate and solve this. Integration and solving. 1 by 4 constant in the flower bracket. Integration of x is x square by 2 minus 1 to 2 plus 2x from minus 1 to 2 minus 1 by 4. This is x cube upon 3 minus 1 to 2. 1 by 4 in the flower bracket, 1 by 2. 2 square is 4 minus 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 2 minus into minus becomes plus. It is minus 1 by 12. X cube means 2 cube, minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus into minus becomes plus. This is 3 by 2, this is 6, minus 1 by 12, 2 cube is 8, 8 plus 1, 9. This is 1 by 4, 3 plus 12 divided by 2, minus 3 by 4. So it is 1 by 4 into 15 by 2 minus 3 by 4. LCM is 8. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 means it is 9 by 8 square units. Next, moving to the next example in exercise 8.1. Find the area. Question number 11. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4x and the line x is equal to 3. See here, they are not mentioned it is in the first quadrant or it is up to x axis. They are giving you it is y square and the line. See, y square is equal to 4x is what? It is a parabola opens in the positive direction of x axis. This is the curve y square is equal to 4x and x is equal to 3. This is the line x is equal to 3. So this is the shaded part is required area. They are not mentioned the x axis or in the first quadrant means whole part we have to calculate. And you know that we cannot move downwards the x axis. So required area is equal to shaded part as shown in the figure, that is equal to 2 into shaded part in the first quadrant. Shaded part in the first quadrant, that is 2 into 0 to 3. It is lower end is at 0, upper means at x is equal to 3 we can draw the line. Y into dx, 2 into 0 to 3, y value is what? 2 root x. Y square is 4x means y is 2 root x. 4 root x is x raised to half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 from 0 to 3. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2. When 3 by 2 goes up, it is 2 by 3. And x raised to 2 by 3 from 0 to 3. It is 8 by 3. 3 raised to 2 by 3 minus 0. So here there is no place, I am writing here 8 by 3. It is cube root of, sorry, not 2 by 3, 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. It is square root of 3 cube. 8 by 3. Square root of 3 cube is 3 root 3. This get cancels. It is 8 root 3 square units. Yes. Is it simple or what? Yes. Next we have 2 questions of multiple choice in this exercise. And only one exercise we have in the examination. The another exercise is deleted. Because in that some deleted part it is also there. Only one exercise for 8 marks. Remember, this part carries 8 marks in your annual paper. See the 2 questions of multiple choice. Area lying in the first quadrant bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. X square plus y square is equal to 4 means it is x square plus y square is equal to 2 square. What is the radius? Radius is 2. This point is 2, 0. And the line x is equal to 0 means this line, x is equal to 2 means this line. This is the required area. See, without integration, even though it comes in the integration chapter, but it is a multiple choice. Without integration also we can solve. This is what it is, a 1/4 of area of the circle. What is the radius of the circle? Radius of the circle is 2. Area of the circle is pi r square. Pi r square. Here r is 2, 4 pi. But the required area is what? Required area is 1/4. Required area is equal to 1/4 of the circle. That is 4 get cancels. It is pi. Very simple. Without integration. Moving to the next question, 13th one. Area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4x and the y-axis. See, y square is equal to 4x is what? It is a curve, parabola opens in the positive direction of x-axis. And the y-axis. And the line y is equal to 3. This is the line y is equal to 3. We required this. Correct? That means curve and the y-axis. Curve and the y-axis means here y value is 0 and here it is 3. It is x into dy. What is x value? X from the figure it is y square by 4. From the curve. 1 by 4 constant, it is y cube upon 3. 1 by 4 into 3. This is 3 cube minus 0. No need to write that. Otherwise you can write 1 by 4 into 3 cube. 1 3 cancel with this. 2 3 are remaining. 2 3 means 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 by 4 square units. See, with this it completes the exercise, applications of integrals, and we have only one exercise. Please don't neglect this. It carries 8 marks in your annual paper.